Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Graphs tell this fast. At x equals 1, we only need to test continuity and differentiability. Then the correct statement basically reveals itself. Watch this. Start with continuity at x equals 1. Check whether the graph meets cleanly there, so the left side, right side, and the actual function value all match. That means continuous. Next, test differentiability by comparing the slopes coming from both sides at x equals 1. If those side derivatives agree, there is no corner, cusp, or sharp break there. So both tests work at x equals 1. The function is continuous, and the left and right slopes match, which makes it differentiable too. Well done! Option A. Scan now. Trap, rush, or miss signs. Rule, trust what's given, and check both steps before deciding differentiability.